There's the rooftop. We're going to rooftop. There. Nasa rooftop.
May signal dito eh.
Oh. Pina-vlog ko at ibebenta ko.
Wow, talaga.
Yan. Sa rooftop, may view. Oh. At the right side, it's front. Pag-ikot mo po dito, front view ng bahay, bundok naman. Ganda ng location. Oh. Tapos ito yung rooftop. Ganda oh. Bili nyo na ito guys. PM nyo lang ako. See? Mamaya tayo usap. Nagbablog. Okay. From rooftop, oh. May access naman going to rooms. This is the room. Then, ikot ako doon. Hindi lang ako makaikot doon sa room na yon. At sarado. Dito, ang daan naman. Ito yung garage. Tapos may access dito. Yan. The first room. First room to. See? Yan yung first room. Access first room, may bathroom. Bathroom ng malapit sa first room. Ito yung dining. Lawak. Bilhin nyo na ito guys. PM me. And ito yung salas. Okay. Salas. Then may going upstairs. Just PM nyo lang ako kung sinong gustong bumili. Okay? Papunta dito, access from sala, may access na stair doon sa room na yon. Yeah, there. Going there, the room. The second room. So, lahat to, apat na room.
Our liberator energy storage. Once a boutique can be linked to your liver health. Find out if you are CRISPR